Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be jumping right into the video and going in with the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. And then I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Maybelline concealer in Sand 20. I wanted to say NC25 so bad, you guys. No, it's the Sand 20 from Maybelline. And then I'm taking this first color right here called, well, I guess it's just, it doesn't have a name, it's just called number 2. So we're going to be taking that number 2 shade to set my entire eye. And then we're going to be taking that bottom transition color, which doesn't have a name either, it's just called number 10. And we're going to be taking this color in the crease. And right off the bat, guys, this palette reminds me of the Modern Renaissance palette a lot. And it's a pretty nice palette for the price also. So if you guys want to get this palette, you guys should definitely get your hands on it. If you are on a budget, or if you've always wanted to get that Modern Renaissance palette but you just don't see the point of paying so much money for it, I definitely recommend this palette. So yeah. After you build up the color enough, you want to go ahead and blend out the edges. As always, you guys already know that. After that, we're going to be taking that shade called number 6. I don't know why these don't come with names. It just comes 1 through 10. So whatever. We're just going to build that color up on top of the previous color to give it a little bit more of a warm color. And don't forget to blend, guys. Always blend. I'm then taking that shade called number 7. And I'm going to just deepen the outer corners out with that. And again, I'm blending as always, guys. I'm then taking that last deeper shade. It's called number 9. And I'm just going to deepen up the outer edges a little bit more. And I'm taking a different brush this time. It's like a pencil brush from Morphe. And it is the M507 if you guys wanted to know. It's just a more detailed brush. So if you guys want to get it. And then we're going to be going back in with the Maybelline concealer and this flat brush from Morphe. And the number M432. This is a really great brush to cut the crease with. So if you guys are looking for a really affordable brush to cut the crease, I really recommend this one. So after that, I'm going to be going in with that shimmery shade, which is called number 3 in the Rose in the Air Wet n Wild palette. And I'm going to be packing that over the concealer. And of course, you want to go back and blend out the outer edges, as always. I'm then taking this NYX glitter and I'm going to be just applying this all over my eyelid. So guys, I own the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy glitter, but honestly, I kind of like this one a little bit better just because the glitter is really fine. And it's really pretty. So as you guys saw, I already did my eyeliner off camera. And now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild foundation. I didn't have any other foundations in hand or any primer. So yeah, I didn't apply primer. But I did prep my skin before just with my regular stuff that I use. I don't know, I just didn't know what kind of moisturizers and primers were good from the drugstore. But if you guys do know of any good ones, don't forget to please list them down below. You guys can always comment and just leave me a little comment on, you know, better drugstore products that are out there for me to explore and to try them out for you guys also. So I'm now highlighting with that same Maybelline concealer on just the regular places that I always highlight on. And then I'm going in with my Real Techniques beauty sponge, and I'm going to be blending all of that out. Does anybody else make all these weird faces while they're blending out their concealer? Because I just make so many faces. Like, I'm just like, what the heck? How does this... Whatever. Anyways, we're going to be setting our face with the Airspun by Coty. I think it's called Coty Airspun powder. I have not used this in a long time, and now coming back to it, I really like it. So, as you can see, I'm taking those two colors from the Wet n Wild palette, which are called, I think, number 6 and number 9, and I'm just going to be smudging that all on my lower lash line. And of course I went in with black eyeliner. I'm then going in with this Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which by the way smells so good, guys. Like, I really like these bronzer, like, honestly. I'm then going in with this NYX blush in this shade Peach. And then we're going to be obviously blending everything out as always. And I didn't know if there was any good contouring shades, so I just kind of got the bronzer and I just bronzed up my face with that. But if you guys know of any good ones, please let me know. And of course you want to clean up your contour, well in my case, my bronzer. And then I sprayed my face with the Mario Badescu spray. I feel like it's kind of drugstore because, you know, they sell it at Ulta for like $7, guys. It's really inexpensive. It's more expensive than the L'Oreal setting sprays that they sell. So if you guys want to try that out, check it out at your local Ulta. And then I'm taking that Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Golden Flower Crown, I think it's called, and it's a really nice highlighter. Like, honestly, I was kind of shook. I was like, oh my gosh, this is really nice and pigmented. Like, I really liked it. Like, good job, Drugstore makeup. You guys are doing good things. Of course, you want to go in and curl your lashes, and I'm just going in with this L'Oreal mascara. I think it's called Lash Paradise. I really like this mascara. It's a really nice mascara. I don't ever buy high-end mascaras simply because, like, they always dry out on me, and they're not, I don't feel like they're that great compared to the drugstore ones. I honestly really prefer drugstore mascara. I'm then going in with these Allure lashes. I'm not sure of the name, guys, but they're definitely in the Allure brand. I think they're the Silk collection, so I really like these, and they look really pretty. I'm then going in with this lip liner from the brand Jordana called Tawny, and I'm going to be lining and filling my entire lips with this lip pencil. After that, guys, I'm going in with this lip pencil from Jordana in this shade Honey. I kind of wanted a warmer kind of lip color for this look, so I just went over it. So if you guys don't like the Jordana, the first one that I used, the tawny one, you don't have to use it if you have this one, but I'm pretty sure not a lot of people have this one. But anyways, I'm going in with the NYX lip cream in the shade London, which these NYX lipsticks are really good. They're really smooth and they're not drying, but they're also not meant to be matte or long lasting, I don't think, but they're really nice on the lips. And then over there I'm going to be putting this gloss. I got this gloss from Dollar General actually, and it does not have a name on it. All I know is that it was $2. So if you go to your Dollar General and you see this, it's a really nice lip gloss. Anyways guys, this is the final look. I'm just really close to the camera so you guys can see it. But I will be right back and actually do my hair. Hey guys. I'm back now with my hair done. I just did a little half-ass braid and some curls to show you guys what this look looks like when you put curls in your hair. This makeup look was originally going to be posted up for prom so you guys can have a drugstore alternative for prom, but that did not happen, unfortunately. I hope you guys forgive me, and I'm not going to show you how this makeup looks with a darker lip color. This is the Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Sugar, which is a really nice color. So yeah, you can wear this look for daytime or nighttime, whichever you guys choose. But nonetheless, I hope you guys like this makeup look. And if you want to see more drugstore related makeup looks, just don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.